How do I check if an object is an array? I'm trying to write a function that either accepts a list of strings, or a single string. If it's a string, then I want to convert it to an array with just the one item. Then I can loop over it without fear of an error. So how do I check if the variable is an array? In modern browsers you can do array is array. Supported by Chrome 5, Firefox 4.0, IE 9, Opera 10.5 and Safari 5. For backwards compatibility you can add the following. If you use jQuery you can use jQuery is array, or $ is array. If you use underscore you can use underscore dot is array. If you don't need to detect arrays created in different frames you can also just use instance of. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to learn JavaScript. We have a number of awesome tutorials in the works.